welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Chrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Welcome back to my channel. I have a big grin on my face because we're doing something a little different. I got a subscription box, as you see in the title. The title just be messing it all up. Anyway, so today we're going to be talking about this curl box. And it's a subscription box that I've been trying to get a hold of. I feel like forever. I mean, I feel like it's been months. I think it's been a year. I'm not too sure, but I feel like it's been forever. So I first saw this box on Everything Keys channel, and I saw it a long time ago. And also my girlfriend, she loves products. She's a product junkie just like me. That's why we're friends. And she told me about this curl box. So I kind of, you know, had an idea about it. Anyway, let's go ahead and talk about this box. This box is a monthly subscription box. You pay, and it's $20 a month, okay? $20 a month. I'm telling, wait, I'm telling y'all, once y'all see what's in this box, whew, you get 4 or more. I'm reading off my phone because I'm just bad. You get to explore new hair products, and you get 4 or more hair products of real sizes in this box. So I'm really delayed with this box. This is actually the September box that I'm going to be showing you guys, but I just had to show y'all this box because I need y'all to understand that this box is the shiznick. So this box in particular has a lot of Mielle organic products, and I really like it. This first one is going to be this rice water. I don't know how the glare is. So this first one is going to be this rice water. This is a moisturizing milk. This one retails for $9.99, okay? So we're gonna add up all this stuff and see if we really got our money's worth. Then we got some gummies in here, y'all, and I've been eyeing some hair gummies. I'm sorry if I'm dark, but right now I'm trying to show y'all the products, so I had to adjust the lighting real quick. So this one right here is some hair gummies. I've been eyeing these gummies for a while, and these gummies alone, they're like always out of stock everywhere I go. You get 60 gummies. It's some hair gummies with biotin, and these retail alone for $19.99, guys. So let's go ahead and keep going. This next one right here is some split end treatment, some rice water split end treatment, and this one is $10. And this last one is a shine mist. This one is also $9.99. All right, so alone, that box retails for, oh, I forgot one, y'all. We got a clay mask. Got a little clay mask. And that clay mask is $9.99. So alone, the box is $20. But look at all the products I got. I got all these full-size products. What, 10, 20, 30, 40. This is a $60 value box. I am so happy that I got it because I am a product junkie. I stay in Sally's. They know my first, last name. They know my phone number before I even type it in. I love hair products. And underneath my wigs, I think it's pretty good because I do care for my hair a lot. As much as this is a wig channel, if you clicked here just for the box, it's fine. But I do wig reviews on this channel, and I also do some other stuff. But underneath wigs that I wear, I do care for my hair. I do believe in caring for your hair. So to get all these products catered to natural hair for $20, you got me. You got me. I told y'all before how I feel about subscription boxes. It's a great way to try different products. I'm talking with my hands. I need to stop. My husband told me I talk with my hands a lot. Yeah, so I do feel like these products are great. It's a great buy. I absolutely am happy with it. Let me know, do you guys do subscription boxes? If not, curl box, what box do you do? Do you do hair boxes? Do you do makeup boxes? What do you do? Because I'm a subscription box junkie. I have Allure. I used to do Sephora. They canceled that. Used to do BoxyCharm. I canceled that because the stuff started blending in, but that's another story. Yeah, so I'm always down for a subscription box. Let me know what boxes y'all think are good, and let's chat about this subscription box because I'm happy with it. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up if you were feeling this video. If you're feeling this wig, I did do a wig review because I do wig reviews on this channel as well. So check that description box for that. And until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.